Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make $2,000 per month with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. But I have to be honest with you, this method does require some time and does require work. But it is free, you don't have to invest any money. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Now second thing you need to do, you need to find low competition, high search volume keywords. Now that is a tedious job, it takes time, it takes lots of work. But luckily for us, we live in AI age. So what I can do, I can simply go here on ChatGPT and I can give it a prompt. I can say something like this. Give me a table of low competition keywords about keto diet. So when I press enter, now ChatGPT will create a table of those keywords. Here you can see keto diet for beginners, search volume 1200 searches per month, competition low, potential traffic medium. So here I have a list of keywords and I can target those keywords. So I actually need to do a bit more research. So for example, let's just say I wish to target this keyword here. Keto diet for seniors. I need to copy this keyword, okay? And I need to go on another tool to check this even further. And that tool is called Backlinko. And I will paste that keyword here, press enter, confirm that I'm not robot, give it a few seconds to actually analyze this keyword. And here I can see all the related keywords and I can also see my keyword. Here you can see keto diet for seniors, search volume 320 searches per month in United States alone. Keyword difficulty, here you can see it is orange, it is not green, okay? But here I can see a related keyword. Is keto diet safe for seniors? Here you can see search is only 90 in United States, but keyword difficulty is green. But I wish to check it even further, so I will click here on keto diet for seniors and it will redirect me to SEMrush. And here I can get more information about this keyword. Here you can see global volume is 500 searches per month. Cost per click is almost $1. Here you can see in these countries, this keyword is most searched. Here I can see keyword variations, questions, keyword strategy, and so on and so on. Here I can see my competition and I can analyze my competition as well. And in that way, I will see, okay, this keyword is good. I can target this keyword and I can rank on first page on Google. Or this keyword is actually not that good. And I will go back here on ChatGPT and I will find another keyword and I will research that keyword as well. And ideally, you need to find a keyword that has between 1,000 and 5,000 searches per month. But that is actually not that easy. Competition is too big, it is too strong for those keywords. So for the purpose of this video, I will stick with this keyword here, keto diet for seniors. So now what I need to do, I need to tell ChatGPT to write me an article for this keyword. Actually, to write me a title for this keyword. So I will simply say, and then simply press enter, and now ChatGPT will give me a title for this keyword. And now I need to tell it to write me an article for this title. And press enter, and now ChatGPT will write this article for me. This is a tip for you and this is important. Now I would strongly suggest you to rewrite this article that ChatGPT wrote for you, because these big companies, they don't like AI written content. And that is why it is much better, it is much wiser if you actually rewrite this article so it looks like it was written by a real human being. Otherwise, it can easily happen that your article won't be approved and also that you are banned. That is why I suggest you to rewrite this article, okay? But for the purpose of this video, I will leave it as it is. And now you need to publish this article, okay? But before that, you need to find a keyword. So I will simply go back here on Digistore24. And I will go back here on Digistore24 and then I will click here on Marketplace. And then here I will simply search for keto, okay? Keto, press enter. And now here I can find keto related products that I can actually promote. Here you can see these are all keto related products. And I just say I wish to promote just any of these products. So now I need to publish that article. Now you can publish that article on medium.com or vocal.media. Now I already showed you in many of my videos how to publish articles on medium.com and vocal media, so I won't show you the same thing again and again. But what is important is to include your main keyword in the title. That is important. Also, here you can see their main keyword is lazy keto and meal plan. Lazy keto meal plan, okay? And also include that main keyword in the subtitle. Here you can see lazy keto meal plan. And also include that main keyword on few places in the article itself, okay? But also this is important, open your article with an eye-catchy image. This is a good and eye-catchy image. Beautiful girl eating keto meal. That is important, okay? And then on the end, you can actually, on the bottom of this article, here you can see, you can add your Digistore24 affiliate link. So when someone click here, it will be automatically redirected to your Digistore24 affiliate link. And if they buy that product, you are going to earn an affiliate commission. But in order to push this article a bit at the beginning, you need to start driving traffic by yourself. So what you can do is you can simply go here on Pinterest, for example, or Twitter or Facebook or whatever, and you can publish that article here on Pinterest. But that pin for itself probably won't get any traffic. So you need to give it a push, okay? So what you can do is you can simply go here on a website called Add Me Fast. And then here on the left side, here you can see free points. This is how you can earn free points. You can earn free points by Instagram likes, Instagram followers, Twitter followers, Twitter tweets, retweets, likes, YouTube subscribes, and so on and so on. And when you earn enough free credits, you can exchange those free credits. Just click here on add site link. And then here you need to choose. Okay, I will find actually Pinterest. So let me find Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest saves. And then here I will choose worldwide, or you can choose just United States. Add a title, add a pin ID. Now total clicks, leave it empty. Daily clicks, leave it empty. And then here, how many credits you actually wish to give to each person who saves your pin or retweets your tweet. I can save just 10, just 15 credits. After that, just click here on save changes. They will review your post. And if they approve it, you will start getting Pinterest saves, Twitter tweets, Facebook likes, Facebook shares, and so on and so on. And in that way, you will start getting that initial traffic to your vocal.media article or medium.com article. Also, build some backlinks from related forums, from related blogs, from social media. And in that way, if you have a good keyword where competition is not that big, it's not that strong, you will rank that article, that vocal media article in this case, on first page with Google, and you will start getting traffic from Google, but also from social media as well. And then some of those people will click on your affiliate link, and some of those people will buy that product, and you are going to earn an affiliate commission, and you will make money. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing in 2025. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.